Hey guys, I'm showing you my guns from Nerf and Zombie Strike. Okay, so I have this, the Nerf modulus, whatever you call it. Yeah, it's cool. Has grip, comes with a grip. This thing here, standard thing. I like it like this, it looks cool. Aiming sights and another place where you put your thing. Okay, and this is my other gun. This Zombie Strike. Yeah, I got something stuck in there when I was making it better. Okay, so that's some of my guns. And now, this is, I forgot what it's called. M Strike, selling Rapid Strike CS18. This is what it looks like. That's my brother's me. Yep, this has a same as the modulus. Yep, jamming. Yeah, and this, and you can aim through here. That little hole. So it has this as well. If you're bigger, taller like me, I don't like it like this. But if my friend Cameron was going to use this gun, he would do this one. But me and Kale and my brother Cass would go that.
I don't like Nerf. No one likes it.
Oh, shush. Yes. Okay, so, yep. And now, I have the Flip Fury. You can go like Extreme Fire, which I call Rage Fire. So like Rage, you go crazy and that's Rage Fire. So you just hold on to this trigger here. Then you pull that back, hold on it, and then like that.
Pokemon
This, if you saw that, that's actually switching, so I'll do this. So like that's gonna switch to there. This is a shooting. Oh, my brother just threw the water bottle like that. Okay, for the water bottle flipping challenge. So this is the shooting. This, which goes like that, is the reloading. See how it has that, and this one doesn't. Shooting. Yeah. So yeah. I have the other version of it, like 5 and then just little. Yeah, I forgot. I don't know what it's called, but I broke it because I didn't like it. And I have a blue pistol. It has a laser. And yeah, I have more clips. And yeah, this is 2 hand something strong arms. This is 2 strong arms. So good.
Alright guys, just quick shout out to Pokemon Go. I've got this hack.
Shush. Yeah, I already made a video of the hack and sent it. So yeah, that's it. Oh no, it's not it. Yeah, it has a thing there. this where you want to put your things on. So, yep, that's about it. Okay,
Yes.
that's about it, guys. So, please subscribe or leave a like or comment in the section below. Bye.